Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today, I'm going to be guiding you through how to disable email notification on Shopee. To disable email notification on Shopee, first of all, open up a web browser and then type in shopee.com in the URL box. Make sure to log into your Shopee account by entering your login credentials, and once you're in the home page, go ahead and mouse over to your profile icon at the top right, and in the pop-up, click on My Account. Inside My Accounts tab, go to the left inside corner and click on Notification Settings. You will see an email notification button on the next page. Toggle off the button right next to email notification, and you will then be able to switch off the email notification you may receive from Shopee. So that's how you easily do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Shopee tutorials. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.